Vermont has dropped CGI as the developer for Vermont Healthcare Connect. This comes after the federal government decided to drop CGI back in January.
And that was after healthcare.gov had its share of problems during the rollout of the Affordable Care Act. ABC 22's Steph Machado has more.
We're at a point where everybody's equally miserable.
10 months after the botched rollout of Vermont Health Connect, the state is parting ways with the exchange's developer, CGI.
This is a mutual agreement.
Chief of Healthcare Reform Lawrence Miller was appointed by Governor Shumlin in January to help with the glitchy exchange plagued with enrollment problems. Miller says CGI missed several deadlines, but acknowledges the federal government gave a tough timeline.
That this was an unworkable time frame with the scope that was laid out.
Vermont is replacing CGI with Optum. Optum has already helped with the latest glitch, people unable to use the change of circumstance function when they get married or have a baby outside of the enrollment period. 8,800 people are still in that backlog, down from more than 14,000.
Vermonters are frustrated with that process, and they have a right to be.
The original contract with CGI was $83 million. To date, the state has paid $57 million and will pay $9.7 million more through September during the transition to Optum. While Health Connect officials don't know how much they will be paying Optum, Miller says it is likely the total cost will now exceed that $83 million. Meantime, some lawmakers are calling for the state to allow people to enroll directly with the insurance companies, while the exchange is still not functioning properly.
We've done it for the businesses, and it's working well for the businesses. To not let these people go through their insurance companies, to force them into the exchange, is unconscionable.
For now, small businesses still cannot enroll through the website. In Winooski, Steph Machado, ABC 22 News.
People who don't get insurance through work will need to renew their enrollment through the exchange this fall. As of now, that function is also still under development. The transition from CGI to Optum is going to take about 60 days. A 16-year-old has been arrested